your real name.
Yeah.
Your name is Viviana. Yeah, because there's nothing on purple. This is the one.
What kind of flag is this?
Oh,
Philippine flag.
very good.
Kailangan ni mo dire red. Dayong dire blue. Dayong star. 3 stars. 1 sun at the center. That is Philippine flag. Huh?
Very good.
Mm,
Very good.
very good. Next. What kind of country can speak Mexican? Mexico. Mexico. Diba? Fix all the jumble names. Jumble names?
Jumbled. Hola.
Jumble man yung muday.
Oh, fix on the jumbled names. Kanang right, fix all man.
Kene.
Hola.
Okay. Jumble siya. Kani siya. Kani siya Mexico. Kani siya Philippines. Philippines.
Okay.
Ang kani siya Denmark.
Oh, she's so smart. Okay, I'll see your test results. If you get one mistake, it's okay. But for two mistakes, okay.
Okay. Draw a color. The Philippines.
Wait, I'll be back. Okay, balik na. Nako. Okay, Lola friend. Start now.
Yeah.
Draw and color the Philippines.
Okay. Draw and color the Philippines. Philippine flag.
Yeah.
Say flag. This is Tres Star. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
Okay.
Okay? Where is the blue?
You don't take any blue.
Blue.
Here is blue.
There is the blue. Kaya kung ma-invert na siya, mag-pula sa ibabaw, war.
Wow, did you see that?
Where is the red?
Ito ang red.
Ang red at the bottom or below. Pag ikaw kanas lamok dito, giinati ka nga sulod, idaghan lamok din ha, di ka patuo. Say man.
Okay, sorry.
Sorry bitaw.
Oh, bro, I don't like
Tapaan di ka rin mama ni mo. Oh ma. Next.
Next, yellow.
Yellow.
Eh.
Ay sige ko din ha. Butang ide na kuan. Ingat ka nga ayaw. Ayaw din ha. Dahil ang ulo.
Naman gulayo. O yun, ikaw magayo. Gayo ko doon. Gayo man. Dahil sana. Make of nest.
I said, I told you, do not stay outside because there are so many mosquitoes. Then you didn't, as if you did not hear me.
Because I was just writing my own.
Yeah, you can write here inside. There are so many tables. You can go there. You can do there.
Okay, so this one. Gonna go harder one. Okay, this one. Okay.
Next time, if you will not,
Okay.
if I will.
Okay. Here.
Oh, look at the cover.
Yeah.
Wrong spelling which? The which country?
Ah,
W W H I C H.
W.
H I
Mm,
C H. Which?
okay, so what's the spelling?
W H I C H. Which? Ang imo sala. With man na. Diba?
Which country?
Katong Japon ay nagba na. Okay, kana, ha? Which country is richer and has president? Sino?
Named
Name Trayong. America.
America.
United States of America.
United States of America.
States of-
We're proud to show you proud.
America. Si Trump. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, wrong Japon spelling niyo mo, oh. Ay, hindi. Wait, Japon. Wrong spelling.
Stop, stop. Oh, that's a happy. Sorry. I love it.
Mm.
Already done, right? Then.
Which country is with Egypt? Anong Egypt?
And Egypt back in Egyptian.
The person, which country, the person living, we call Egyptian. So that is Egypt.
Okay, which country is near to Egypt?
I do not know.
Wait, I know. There's a hint.
Bread, ma'am, ay? Kung dala, ma'am?
Hapon na po nila taon ng kuan. Tinapay.
Bread nga, ano yung alam ni ma'am? Prancing bread. Init pa ni kayo, ma'am, oh. Pare, ma'am, oh.
Okay, here's your hint.
Eh, sige, kot-kot. Masuko na yung mamaron ni mo. Which country is with Egypt?
And we here.
And its enemy with Palestine? Israel.
Ooh, how do you know about Israel?
Israel.
Israel is very important.
Israel.
Because we have lived there.
Oh. Yes.
Wow, yung magiging.
Right and spell Philippines. Right and spell Philippines. Oh, capital P. Oh. H I L double P A N A E. Oh. It's Philippines.
Okay.
Not double L.
Hola.
Imo na gweron, mamay. Imo na gweron. Ah. Tawag siya.
Here's yours. What do you got? You got 100 out of 100.
Okay. Perfect.
Oh.
Okay.
So,
Tara, mama, ay. Ah.
With Mama Dad.